What's the meaning of Brythonic? Brythonic. Brythonic.
Brythonic. Brythonic. Brythonic refers to a subfamily of the Celtic languages that were historically spoken in Britain. This group includes Welsh, Cornish, and Breton. The Brythonic languages share many linguistic features, such as mutations and a complex system of verb endings. They also have a common ancestor, known as Common Brythonic, which was spoken around the 6th century AD. Today, the Brythonic languages are minority languages, with Welsh being the most widely spoken. Despite their decline, they continue to be an important part of the cultural heritage of the regions where they are spoken.